Cast.
As advertised, you are looking live at a windswept downtown Charlottesville as viewed by our East Market Street weather camera. If you look closely up above, the flags flapping in the breezes, the clouds are whipping by at a very fast rate, and that's indicative of a strong cold front off to our west. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. So yes, indeed, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is that strong late winter cold front. It is a first alert category for this afternoon into the evening hours, mostly because of some gusty winds and those brief downpours. Storm Team 29's live Doppler radar network is showing some light showers over parts of the area. Nothing all that significant. It's cloudy. It's very warm in the 60s, but off to our west, notice this band of rain now crossing over from West Virginia into Western Virginia along the Allegheny Highlands. It's from this direction, from west to east. We'll see this initial band move on through, and then it'll rain for a couple of hours thereafter, and it will turn quite windy for the second half of the day and even into tonight. We have the clashing of two seasons. It is spring-like across the eastern half of the country right now, and it is winter off to the west, and these colder temperatures will eventually head our way over the next 24 to 36 hours. Our rapid refresh high-res weather tracker shows between around 1, 2, 3 o'clock, Shenandoah Valley, you're first up to get the downpours with the squall line and a rush of winds. And then on towards 3, 4 o'clock, the Route 29 corridor, Route 15, there's 3, 4, 5 o'clock from west to east. That line is rapidly moving across the region. After sunset, after 6 o'clock, the majority of the downpours and rain are shifting away, and that will allow for the colder air to rush in. We have southwest winds on average 25, 35 miles per hour from the southwest, that warm direction. But once that front moves through here at 5 o'clock, the winds turn to the northwest, and it will stay gusty tonight, even breezy tomorrow from that colder and drier northwesterly direction. Now, there are no severe weather risks when it comes to severe thunderstorms, but the strongest winds are going to be across the Blue Ridge and into the Shenandoah Valley. But right now, there are no weather alerts across central Virginia. The wind alerts for the wind advisories are for the Blue Ridge and for the Shenandoah Valley. This is the area most favored to see the strongest wind gusts from 3 p.m. until 4 a.m. And this is where we could have some spotty power outages. And make sure your decorations outside are secure, the lawn furniture, trash cans are secure. We're not expecting flooding. Most areas will struggle to get more than a ½ inch of additional rainfall through tonight. In your Storm Team 29 report today, we're going to have highs in the 60s. It's going to be spring-like, May and even April-like with those gusty winds and downpours with temperatures in the 60s. Now tonight, we're going to drop rapidly through the 30s and then the 20s. We are not expecting an ice up because the winds are going to dry everything out. So once we go to freezing, it'll be dry around here with windy conditions continuing. Gusty winds tomorrow, but sunshine makes a comeback with highs more seasonable for this time of the year. The last day of February, upper 40s and low 50s. Here's our 7-day forecast. We're in the 20s tomorrow night, increasing clouds for the first day of March on Friday in the 50s, some showers later in the day and night, showers Saturday morning, low 60s, mostly cloudy this weekend, but it will be warmer than average for the first weekend of